Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to use the Relative Inequity Chart, focusing on disparities in gun homicides among Black men in the United States. This chart visualizes how inequities in gun violence exposure have evolved over time. For instance, Black non-Hispanic men in the 20 to 24 age group experience significantly higher rates of gun homicides compared to their share of the population. To use this chart, start by selecting the demographic groups you want to examine. You can compare disparities by race, age, and other factors to see which groups are most affected by gun violence over time. Analyze how these disparities have changed. Are the inequities worsening or improving? This data allows you to track shifts in gun violence exposure across different groups, helping you understand where inequities are deepening. Use this data to advocate for policies that address these disparities. The trends can support your efforts in lobbying for resources or interventions targeted at the most impacted communities. Explore these inequities and use the data to advocate for change. Together, we can work toward reducing these disparities in gun violence.